Please look at page 710, PDF 723, just in case the essence of the English translation has been lost. This is the same document letter at 710, the same letter that you were pointing out, 25th November 19. It's in Marathi, and that probably will be the essence because it's a translation that you have shown us.
Yes, perhaps I hope my Lord the Chief Justice.
More light on that. Honorable
It says, गुरुवार दिनांक 31 ऑक्टोबर 2019 रोजी, I mean, I'm sure my learned brothers will get some flavor of it. रोजी शिवसेना भवन दादर मुंबई येथे शिवसेने पक्षाच्या नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांची बैठक शिवसेना प्रमुख माननीय श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे यांच्या उपस्थितीत संपन्न झाली. महाराष्ट्र राज्य विधानसभा निवडणूक 2019 मध्ये निवडून आलेल्या सर्व नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांनी बैठकीची सुरुवातीलाच या बैठकीत होणाऱ्या निर्णयांचे सर्वस्वी अधिकार अध्यक्ष म्हणून शिवसेना प्रमुख श्री उद्धवजी ठाकरे यांना दिले. याप्रमाणे बैठकीत महाराष्ट्र राज्य विधिमंडळातील शिवसेना पक्षाच्या गटनेता म्हणून आमदार श्री एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे व विधानसभेतील मुख्य प्रतोद म्हणून आमदार श्री सुनील प्रभू यांची एकमताने निवड करण्यात आली. या दोन्ही निवडींचे दोन ठराव पुढील प्रमाणे आहेत. So it says that, well, all the decisions, the power to take all the decisions was entrusted to Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, and an election was then held at which so-and-so was nominated as a group leader and so-and-so was nominated as the chief whip.
Well, that's what I thought, Mullah. The adhikar was given to him, Mullah.
And then it is sort of ratified by all the MLAs.
Yes. So, Mullah, just kindly come to PDF 55 of the statute compilation. 140?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, this is what it is, 55. Oh, sorry. So 140, sorry.
And then ठराव क्रमांक 1 also says, शिवसेना पक्षाच्या नवनिर्वाचित आमदारांच्या या बैठकीत ठराव करण्यात येत आहे की शिवसेना पक्षाच्या विधिमंडळ गटनेते पदी आमदार श्री एकनाथ संभाजी शिंदे यांची निवड करण्यात येत आहे. That's the resolution. So it's a resolution, as Mukesh Bhai says, of
the statute compilation. And then I'll come back to the other documents. Let's clear this issue, Mullah.
140.
Don't say do this, do that. Now kindly see, Mullahs, at 142. PDF Mullahs 142. These are, Mullahs, the Maharashtra Legislature members' removal of Disqualification Act and removal of certain disqualifications. See paragraph 2 at page 142. Section 2 at page 142.
142.
Yes, I hope your authorities are feeling much better today.
Little better, yes. Thank you.
Page 142, Mullah. Section 2.
Just all professional hazards, back, neck.
I know. A person shall not be disqualified from being chosen as or being a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly or Maharashtra Legislative Council merely by reason of the fact that he holds any of the offices specified in Schedule 1. And that at 145 you have Schedule 1. In 23, item 23 there is the offices of the Chief Whip or Whip in the Maharashtra State Legislature. Now kindly read the explanation with me, if your Lordships and Ladyship has it.
Yes.
The offices of the Chief Whip, the expression Chief Whip or Whip in relation to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly means that member of the House who is, for the time being, declared by the party.
Completely redacted, yeah.
I'm sorry?
Was it redacted? It's actually...
they have highlighted it.
Oh, it's highlighted, but I'm getting the highlighting.
So much so that there is nothing except yellow here.
Already highlighted.
मेरे पास है.
I also
okay.
highlighted.
It's all just yellow. Everybody.
We all have.
Why, Malas? How?
They must have highlighted it and then scanned it. So
so it's come back.
I'm sorry, Malas, for this.
Highlighted.
It's surprising. I don't know.
I was also wondering that I haven't done it.
I am surprised myself.
Doesn't matter.
You don't also have it. You can read it slowly then, I think.
Yeah, give us a copy later, but you can slowly read. You can read.
Yes, it says
my two brothers and we can share it.
I'll pass on, Malas.
See it.
I can share it.
We can pass
on a returnable basis or what?
How could lose it?
You're giving it to sir? Okay.
Pass on another one, please.
I have mine is fine.
Just give another for the Chief Justice, please.
No, I have it. My pen drive is okay.
Okay, all right. Now, may I read, Mills? Yes. The expression Chief Whip or Whip in relation to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly means that member of the House who is for the time being declared by the party forming the government to be the Chief Whip or Whip in that House and recognized as such by the Speaker, and includes a member of the House who is for the time being declared as such by the party having at least 10% of the total members of the House and recognized as such by the Speaker. The expression Chief Whip or Whip in relation to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly means that member of the House who is for the time being declared by the party forming the government to be the Chief Whip or Whip in that House and recognized as such by Chairman, and includes a member of the House who is for the time being declared as such by the party having at least 10% of the total members of the House and recognized as such. It's clear, Malaz, that there's no doubt about these things, Malaz. I read your lordship yesterday, in fact, the communication by the chairperson of the UPA to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha that after Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, Mr. Kharge is the leader of the legislative party. So on this, there is really no issue, Malaz.
Yes.
Now, Malaz, now I come back to volume 2, page 17. One second. So, Manas, this is what yes. Then this is Manas at 21st of June, a meeting of all members of the Shiv Sena. Manas, PDF 19. PDF 19. 19? PDF 19 of Convenience Compilation Volume 2. I'm coming back to that compilation. Manas. Page 6, no, Manas, otherwise page 6. Party Whip. A meeting of all members of the Legislative Assembly on Tuesday on 21st June at 12:30 has been arranged at the Honorable Chief Minister's residence, Varsha Bungalow. Therefore, all members of the Shiv Sena should positively remain present for the said meeting. So that's how the issue starts. And this is given by the Party Whip. And those who are present, they have signed it. We don't have to go into that at the moment. So typed copy is there. And then kindly come to PDF, page 32. As per whip, my lords have 32 PDF. As per whip issued by the Chief Speaker of Shiv Sena, Shri Sunil Prabhu, the meeting of members of the Shiv Sena party was concluded on Tuesday, 21st of June, as Chief Minister's residence at Varsha Bungalow, and under the chairmanship of the party president, Uddhav Ji. In the meeting, the following resolution was passed unanimously. Resolution Eknath Shinde, the member of Legislative Assembly, has been removed. Forthwith from the post of Group Leader of Shiv Sena Legislative Party, Ajay Chaudhary, member of Legislative Assembly, has been immediately elected unanimously on the post of Group Leader of Shiv Sena Legislative Party that has become vacant. A copy of the aforesaid resolution by Article 180 of the Constitution be forwarded to the Honorable Vice President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, who is discharging the duties of the post of President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. Presented by Ravindra Vaikar and Uday Samant and the others. So we change him, the party's decision to remove him as the group leader. Then comes PDF page 34, again on 21st of June. Yes, we communicated this decision to the Deputy Speaker, and that your lordships will see to the Vice President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly.
Page?
It's actually Vice President is the wrong translation, it's the Deputy Speaker. At page 34, PDF page 34. A meeting of members of Shiv Sena Legislative Party was held under the chairmanship of so-and-so. In this meeting, the following resolution was passed, and that is sent, for appropriate action. Your lordship sees that. You don't have to read the whole document. Sent for appropriate action.
It's already appointed.
Then, PDF page 36, again 21st of June, because the party decides to make Ajay Chaudhary the group leader. That also is communicated, to the Deputy Speaker. And that your lordships will find at page 36. I don't have to read it, it'll just be waste of time. That I am directed to inform you that the request made by the above letter to accord approval to the election of Shri Ajay Chaudhary, member of the Legislative Assembly, to the post has been accepted by the President, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. So he accepts that, Deputy Speaker accepts that. That's how the process is. Party conveys to the Deputy Speaker accepts it. That's in all assemblies in India, including Parliament. Then kindly come to...
1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Both the resolution which you read,
Yes.
the communications, one removing Mr. Eknath Shinde, correct, and appointing this Ajay Chaudhary, were in the meeting of the legislative party. Please see.
Yes.
They were not the decisions taken or the resolutions were passed in the party meeting.
No, that doesn't happen, Mullah.
That
never happens. Mullah, what happens?
Just for clarity of...
Yes, certainly. Sir.
Both these resolutions
Yes.
were in the meeting of the legislative
I
party.
tell your lordships why. I'll tell your lordships why. What happens is, it's the legislative party that has to accept a leader. There is always a consultation with the party. The party is represented by Uddhav Thackeray.
Just what we want to say, speaking of myself, it was not in the meeting of the party.
No, it is never. It is never, Malaj. It is never. Well, I'm explaining that to you. Ultimately, Malaj, a group leader or a leader in the house has to be chosen. Right? So what the party whip and what the leader of the party does is calls the legislators and says, who would you like to be the leader? They take their view and the party takes the decision. It's not a party meeting. Your Lordship is right. It doesn't happen in the AICC or the DPCC. It happens, Malaj, with the leader, namely the chairperson or the Prime Minister, Malaj, acting in his capacity as the head of the BJP. He will be consulted. But it's why? Because it is the legislative members who have to accept somebody as a leader. So the decision is given by the party that this is the person who is we choose as the leader. Now you cannot, doesn't happen in the plenary, Malaj. That's the process, Malaj.
Okay.
And I will demonstrate that, Malaj. Your Lordship is absolutely right. Because ultimately, Malaj, who has to work? Somebody within the legislature has to work with the leader. Here, they are the ones who are concerned. So their views will be taken and the party will decide.
Yes.
So therefore, they say, okay, let Uddhav Thackeray decide, we'll accept what you say. That's how it happens.
According to you, the decision in the legislative party meeting would always be on the advice of the party.
Always.
That's what you're saying.
That's right, always. And it's recognized by this court, Manoj, in several decisions. So it's Manoj, it's the practice, it's the norm everywhere in every political party.
Leader as well as the whip, both you are saying.
Sorry?
Leader as well as the whip.
That's right. Manoj, what happens, I just explained that also. Leadership will decide who the chief whip will be.